Question number 1. Who founded the Maurya dynasty? Answer is C. Question number 2. Who was the last ruler of the Maurya dynasty? Answer is B. Question number 3. Who assassinated the last Mauryan king? Answer is A. Question number 4. Who wrote Indica, an account of Mauryan India? Answer is B. Question number 5. Which Mauryan ruler was known as Amitraghta or Slayer of Enemies? Answer is B. Question number 6. Which council did Ashoka convene to spread Buddhism? Answer is C. Question number 7. Which rock edict mentions the Kalinga War? Answer is A. Question number 8. Which script was used in Ashokan inscriptions? Answer is D. Question number 9. Who was the Greek ambassador at Chandragupta's court? Answer is C. Question number 10. Consider the following statements. The last Mauryan ruler, Brihadratha, was assassinated by his commander-in-chief, Pushyamitra Sunga. The last Sunga king, Devbhuti, was assassinated by his Brahman minister Vasudev Kamva, who usurped the throne. The last ruler of the Kamva dynasty was deposed by the Andhras. Answer is D. Question number 11. Which one of the following edicts mentions the personal name of Ashoka? Answer is D. Question number 12. In which of the following inscriptions did Ashoka declare some concessions and taxes? Answer is A. Question number 13. Who among the following was referred to as Sandrocotis in the writings of the Greeks? Answer is C. Question number 14. Which of the following was not a land-related tax during the Mauryan period? Answer is D. Question number 15. Which Mauryan emperor is said to have gone to Shravan-Belgola along with Bhadrabahu? Answer is C. Question number 16. The decline of the Nandas at the hands of Kautilya and Chandragupta Maurya has been vividly portrayed in the Sanskrit play written by Kalidasa. Answer is B. Question number 17. Which of the following is considered one of the earliest examples of rock-cut architecture in India during the Mauryan period? Answer is B. Question number 18. The Barabar caves were donated by Emperor Ashoka to which religious sect? Answer is B. Question number 19. The lion capital of Ashoka, the national emblem of India, originally stood atop which type of structure? Answer is B. Question number 20. Which Mauryan ruler is directly associated with promoting architectural activity for religious and administrative purposes? Answer is C. Bonus question. Which ancient structure is considered the earliest surviving Buddhist stupa commissioned during the Mauryan period? Comment your answer.